The Bugatti Veyron is a high-performance sports car that was produced by the French manufacturer from 2005 to 2015. Now, it's known for its impressive speed and luxurious design, but that doesn't mean it hasn't been without controversy. The biggest controversy surrounding the Veyron is its claimed top speed. Bugatti claimed that the Veyron could reach a top speed of over 250 miles an hour, which would make it the fastest production car in the world. However, some people have questioned whether the Veyron was actually capable of reaching such high speeds. There have been claims that the company exaggerated the car's performance. Another controversy is the car's environmental impact. The Veyron is a gas guzzler with an estimated fuel economy of only 8 miles per gallon. This has led to criticism that the Veyron is not environmentally friendly and contributes to climate change. Despite these controversies, the Bugatti Veyron remains a popular and iconic car known for its impressive performance and luxurious design.